Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to do the CPU throttling test by using the high performance mode comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus Realme X8 Max device. Yes friends, this is a test which I'm going to do after the recent software update from the OnePlus Nord 2. Let's see how well the both phones going to manage regarding the CPU throttling when comparing side by side. And both phones do have the Dimensity 1200 chipset, and the Realme X8 Max is running the Realme UI 3.0 trial version, which is a beta version, not the official one. But let's see friends what will happen with the overall throttling issues in this Realme X8 Max or the OnePlus Nord 2, which will be really good in terms of the throttling. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And first let's open the battery settings and go to the advanced settings and turn on high performance mode. Right now high performance mode is turned on in the Realme X8 Max, and let's do the same thing in the OnePlus phone as well. So in the OnePlus phone also high performance mode is turned on, and both phones all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. That's also perfect. Let's open the CPU throttling test application and let's do the test CPU throttling. I'll try to do this test for about 15 minutes of time, and these are the settings which I'm trying to use. Both phones 100 threads and 15 minutes of time continuously. Let's put in the airplane mode. I don't want any kind of calls disturbing around while doing this kind of testing anyway. So right now if you want you can take a look at the battery percentage as well, 54 and 62%. Now let's check out the temperatures in the beginning of starting the test. 28.8 and 27.8, slightly kind of very close, not a huge, but just a little bit 1 degree only difference is there. But let's see friends which phone gonna maintain really very good stable graph. That's what I'll try to focus in this video, and how much throttling will be there using high performance mode. And I'm gonna be back after some time friends just to check with the temperatures what's happening between these two phones. So maybe after a couple of minutes, maybe after 5 minutes of time, then we can discuss more details. So right now as you can see friends, after 5 minutes of time using with the high performance mode, 40 degrees Celsius the OnePlus Nord 2 already increased, and Realme X8 Max is about 38.4 degrees Celsius. So 38.4. So 40 degrees friends of OnePlus Nord 2 set to high, highest record at this moment. And very soon the Realme X8 Max also will reach the temperatures anyway after some time. But if you want you can take a look at the battery percentage, 49% and 56% during this process. And again I'll be back after maybe 10 minutes of time, then we can discuss about the temperatures and the graph as well. Till now there is no red color indication at this moment in the graph, but we're going to see after 10 minutes what's going to happen. As you can see friends, after I think close to 13 minutes of time, the Realme X8 Max started to throttle a little bit, as you can see more. So right now its temperature is about 41.6 degrees Celsius, 41.8 degrees and 42.6. That's pretty high in the OnePlus Nord 2. 42.6 versus the 42 degrees. So both phones did increase higher. I mean 42 degrees both phones did reach using high performance mode. And you can compare friends, definitely the Realme X8 Max struggles a little bit a lot when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2. OnePlus Nord 2 was able to have slightly kind of better in terms of the throttling when compared with the Realme X8 Max after the recent software update, which is the Android 12 update. This complete test is done only using high performance mode. Before I did do plenty of videos but without high performance mode, but this video, special video which I thought of doing the high performance mode. And right now you'll be able to see exactly the scores after 10 seconds of time. If you try to observe. So right now we're going to see exactly what's going to happen between these both phones, which phone will be having what kind of results. So finally we got the results, and which scored about 76% that CPU has been throttled in the OnePlus Nord 2. You can clearly see even 76%, that's pretty good. And the Realme X8 Max CPU throttled up to 61%, that's pretty very low when compared to the OnePlus Nord 2s. And the highest score, look at the OnePlus Nord 2 highest score, 3,74,000, 318 and 257 and 355, 295 and 212. And battery, look at the battery percentage. The difference right now it's 43 and 45, so only 2% difference is there. Before starting the video, if you notice, I think there might be kind of close to difference of maybe 7 to 8% difference is there, I think so, I guess. So I think exactly maybe 8% is difference, because at the end of the video I did show the battery percentage 62%. Right now it's become 45 and 54 became 43. So only I think 11% got decreased in the OnePlus Nord 2, and in this Realme X8 Max lot decreased. As you can see clearly friends, I think close to 18% kind of decreased I guess in this device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison on overall the CPU has been throttling a lot in the Realme X8 Max after the recent update only. These are the statistics which we got. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next time, more updates, and let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this one. In case if you are interested in any other videos, I can definitely do this kind of video as soon as possible. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.